Namaste to everyone. Myself, KVS Saraswat, here in front of you to explain or present my social activity. So, let's get started. What is COVID 19? COVID 19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. CO stands for corona, V stands for virus, and D stands for disease. Formerly, this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV. So, there are various variants for the disease. Let's check them. The first variant is alpha variant. This COVID-19 variant appears to spread more easily and might have an increased risk of hospitalization and death. Beta variant. This variant appears to spread more easily. It also reduces the effectiveness of some monoclonal antibody medications and the antibodies generated by COVID-19 vaccine. The third variant is the gamma variant. This variant reduces the effectiveness of some monoclonal antibody medications and the antibodies generated by COVID 19 vaccines. So, basically, the second variant and the third variant have the same specifications in the way they work. So, let's check few other variants. So, there are other variants too. Epsilon variant means there are two variants in epsilon, and the delta variant, kappa variant, and the delta plus variant. So, the B.1.617 variant, commonly referred to as the double mutant, had already mutated further into three significant variants. Scientifically, they are referred to as B.1.617.1 means the kappa variant, and B.1.617.2, which is the delta variant, and B.1.617.3. The B.1.617.1 was named kappa, while the B.1.617.2 became delta variant. No specific name was given to B.1.617.3 because it was not very widespread. It had come, but it was not that much uh, widespread all over the world. The variant that emerged in the UK, means United Kingdom, B.1.1.7 was called alpha, we saw in the previous slide. The variant first reported in South Africa, B.1.351, became the beta variant, means we saw this too in the previous slide, while the so-called Brazil variant P.1 was named gamma. So let's move on. So this disease has few symptoms too. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. The less common symptoms are aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, and a rash on skin or discoloration of fingers or toes. The serious symptoms are difficulty of breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. So, to keep ourselves safe from this disease, there are few precautions to be taken. Always wear a mask, maintain social distancing wherever we go, avoid crowded areas, take vaccines on time, wash your hands frequently. So by doing these, we can keep ourselves and our family safe from this disease. Facts about spread of COVID-19. Current evidence suggests that the virus spreads mainly between people who are in close contact with each other, typically within 1 meter, short range. A person can be infected by aerosols or droplets containing the virus are inhaled or come directly into contact with the eyes, nose, or mouth. The aerosols or the droplets which come from the infected person's mouth might contain the virus and might get inhaled by the person who is in contact with the infected person, and the virus might go inside his body through eyes, nose, or mouth. So the virus can also spread in poorly ventilated and or crowded indoor settings. Means if the area is very less ventilated, means the air is not flowing easily in that area, or in the highly crowded areas, means where the people are high in amount, we might get infected by the virus in those areas very easily, where people tend to spend longer periods of time. Means if we spread the places Means if we spread long time in the places which are poorly ventilated or crowded, we might have a high chance of getting affected by this virus. This is because aerosols remain suspended in the air or travel farther than 1 meter long range. People may also have become infected by touching surfaces that have been contaminated by the virus when touching their eyes, nose, or mouth without washing their hands. And hence, we are requested to wash our hands because we might contain the virus in our hands. And if we place these contaminated hands in our eyes, nose, or mouth, we might get affected by the virus. And importance of vaccinations. So there are many vaccines in the Indian market or in the world or throughout the world. But we also have a doubt. Are these COVID-19 vaccines safe? Yes, they are safe. COVID-19 vaccines were developed using science that has been around for decades. COVID-19 vaccines are not experimental. They went through all the required stages of clinical trials. Extensive testing and monitoring has shown that these vaccines are safe and effective. And we have so many vaccines, we already know that, and we also proved that they're safe. But are they effective? Do they save us from the disease? Yes, they are effective. COVID-19 vaccines are effective. They can keep you from getting and spreading the virus that causes COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccines also help you keep from getting seriously ill even if you do get even if you get contained by COVID-19. Means we might get the COVID-19, we cannot say that we will not get COVID-19, but we will not get seriously ill. Means we'll get affected, but we'll get very less symptoms, means some basic symptoms. So, getting vaccinated yourself may also protect people around you, particularly people at increased risk of severe illness from COVID 19. Means if we vaccinate ourselves, we can protect the people around us, means our family, and we can save the people who are in increased risk of getting COVID 19. Means the people who are the age of 45 or 60 or the senior citizens. The importance of vaccination. There are many vaccines in the Indian market. Covaxin, which was developed by Bharat Biotech, Covishield, which was developed by AstraZeneca and it's manufactured in India by Serum Institute of India, and the Sputnik V, which is the Russian vaccine. Let's move on. So, getting vaccinated will keep ourselves and our family safe. Getting vaccinated from our nearest destination is as good as possible because we can save as many people as possible. Thank you.